Hey adventurers! Welcome back to KidFable. Today we're off to a magical city of canals and colorful houses with our favorite furry friends, Miko and Max. They've just arrived in Amsterdam, the capital of the Netherlands. Miko's whiskers are twitching with excitement. He's looking at all the tall, skinny houses leaning against each other like best friends. Wow, Max! Look at all these houses. They look like they're made of gingerbread. Max spurs, looking at a map. They're called canal houses, Miko, and this city has more canals than Venice. We should explore them. Their first stop is a boat tour. They hop onto a long, flat boat that glides smoothly on the water. Miko leans over the edge, his eyes wide, watching the reflections of the houses dance on the canal. He spots a family of ducks paddling by and chirps a friendly hello. Max is enjoying the gentle breeze, pointing out famous bridges like the Brug, also known as the Skinny Bridge. He tells Miko a legend that says if you kiss under this bridge, your love will last forever. Miko just giggles and tries to chase a sunbeam on the boat floor. After their boat ride, they're feeling a bit hungry, and what's the best snack in the Netherlands? Cheese, of course. They find a cheese shop filled with giant wheels of yellow and orange cheese. The shopkeeper gives them a tiny piece of Gouda to try. Miko nibbles it carefully. It's so yummy and nutty, he exclaims. Max agrees, savoring the creamy flavor. They even see someone making traditional wooden shoes called clogs. Miko tries to put his paw in a tiny painted clog, but it's a bit wobbly and he tumbles over, making them both laugh. What a silly kitty. Next on their list is a visit to a windmill. They take a short trip to the countryside just outside the city. A giant windmill stands tall against the blue sky, its huge blades turning slowly in the wind. Whoa, it's like a giant fan. Miko shouts, ready to climb it. But Max reminds him they should be respectful. They learn that windmills were used for many things, like grinding grain to make flour or pumping water to keep the land dry. It's amazing how these old machines work. They sit in a field of colorful tulips nearby, watching the windmill spin. The fields are a rainbow of red, yellow, and purple flowers. Miko can't resist and playfully pounces through the rows of tulips, his brown fur a perfect match for the rich soil. Max just shakes his head with a smile, finding a cozy spot to nap in the warm sun. As the sun begins to set, they head back to the city. The sky turns into a beautiful painting of orange, pink, and purple. The lights along the canals start to twinkle, making the water sparkle like a river of stars. They find a cozy spot on a bridge to watch the city light up. Miko, usually so full of energy, is quiet now. He snuggles up to Max, his little head resting on Max's sleek black fur. Max, he whispers, today was the best adventure ever. Max spurs contentedly. It was. Miko. Amsterdam is a beautiful city, but it's even better exploring it with my best friend. They watch the moon rise over the canal houses, feeling happy and peaceful. What a perfect end to a perfect day. The next morning, Miko is up bright and early, eager for another adventure. What are we doing today, Max? Are we going to see the famous paintings? Are we going to try those little pancakes I smelled yesterday? Max stretches lazily. Patience, little one. First, we need a good breakfast, and I think you're talking about poffertjes. They find a street vendor making the tiny, fluffy pancakes. They watch as the batter is poured into a special pan with little round dents. The vendor flips them with a fork and then dusts them with powdered sugar and a small pat of butter. Miko's eyes are as round as the pancakes. They get a small plate to share, and the warm, sweet treats melt in their mouths. This is the best breakfast in the whole wide world, Miko declares with a powdered sugar mustache. With their bellies full, they decide to explore the city like the locals do, by bicycle. They find two tiny bikes just their size. Max gets the hang of it right away, pedaling smoothly through the bike lanes. Miko is a bit wobbly at first, zigzagging and giggling, but soon he's racing ahead, his green necklace glinting in the sun. They ride through Vondelpark, a huge, beautiful park in the middle of the city. They see people having picnics, playing music, and just enjoying the day. Miko tries to race a squirrel up a tree, but the squirrel is way too fast. Max finds a quiet pond and watches the swans glide gracefully across the water. It's so peaceful and green, a perfect escape from the busy city streets. Later in the afternoon, they visit the Rijksmuseum, a famous art museum that looks like a castle inside. They are amazed by all the incredible paintings. Max is fascinated by Rembrandt's The Night Watch, a huge painting full of details. He tries to explain the story of the painting to Miko, but Miko is more interested in a painting of a cat that looks a bit like his cousin. He stands in front of it, tilting his head, trying to see if the cat in the painting will meow back. He even whispers a soft meow just in case. Max chuckles at his friend's antics. Art is an adventure too, just a different kind. As their amazing trip to Amsterdam comes to an end, Miko and Max sit by a canal one last time, watching the boats go by. Miko has a small collection of treasures from their trip. A postcard with a windmill, a tiny painted clog, and a smooth stone he found by the canal. Max has a map with all their routes marked in red. Miko looks at Max. "I'm going to miss Amsterdam," he says softly. "The canals, the cheese, the friendly ducks." Max nuzzles him gently. "We'll always have the memories, Miko, and memories are the best souvenirs." Miko smiles, "And we have each other." They promise to come back one day, but for now they are ready for their next adventure, wherever it may take them. They know that as long as they are together, any place can be as wonderful as Amsterdam. What an incredible journey. Miko and Max showed us that adventure is everywhere, from the top of a canal house to a field of tulips. What was your favorite part of their trip? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to KidFable for more amazing stories with our favorite furry friends. Until next time, keep exploring and keep dreaming. Bye for now.